The first syrup we're going to make is a herbal calming syrup that contains 3 medicinal herbs: borage, chamomile, and valerian. All 3 of these herbs have anti-stress, tension-reducing, and calming properties, which means we can make an incredibly effective syrup with them. To make this syrup, we mix 3 grams of borage with 5 grams of chamomile and 5 grams of valerian and prepare about 250 milliliters of herbal tea from these plants. It's better to use the powdered form of the herbs because when they're powdered, their volume decreases and it's easier to prepare the tea. Once the tea is ready, we add it to a metal container in which we've already poured 150 grams of honey, and just like before, we dissolve the honey in the tea using a bain-marie double boiler method. You need to stir constantly until the honey is completely dissolved in the tea, and once your syrup is ready, transfer it to a dark glass container. This syrup should be used 3 times a day, every 8 hours. Each time, you can use 1 or 2 tablespoons. It's recommended to use just 1 tablespoon for the first 2 days. If the person doesn't experience any side effects, it's okay to use 2 tablespoons at a time. As we mentioned, this syrup can be used to reduce anxiety and improve sleep since we haven't added any preservatives to it. It must be kept in the refrigerator and should be used within a week at most. That's why you shouldn't make too much syrup at once, just enough to use up within a week.